A. A is for apple. Let's spell it. A. B. B. L. E. Apple. B. B is for boat.
Now I know my ABC.
Let's spell it.
Next time, won't you sing
B.
with me?
O.
A, B, C,
A.
E, F, G, H, I,
T.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
Boat.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
C.
Now I know my ABC.
C is for cow.
Time, won't you sing with me?
Let's spell it. C. O. W. Cow.
A,
D.
C, D, E, F, G,
D is for duck.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Let's spell it.
T, U, V,
D.
W, X, Y, and Z.
U.
Now I know my ABC.
C.
Next time, won't you sing with
K.
me?
Duck.
A, B, C,
E.
D, E, F, G,
E is for eraser.
Q, R, S,
Let's spell it.
V, W,
E.
X, Y, and Z. Now
R.
I know my ABCs.
A.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
S. E. R. Eraser. F. F is for fish. Let's spell it. F. I. S. H. Fish. G. G is for grapes. Let's spell it. G. R. A. B. E. S. Grapes. H. H is for house. Let's spell it. H. O. U. S. E. House. I. I is for igloo. Let's spell it. I. G. L. O. O. Igloo. J. J is for juice. Let's spell it. J. U. I. C. E. Juice. K. K is for koala. Let's spell it. K. O. A. L. A. Koala. L. L is for lemon. Let's spell it. L. E. M. O. N. Lemon. M. M is for mango. Let's spell it. M. A. N. G. O. Mango. N. N is for nut. Let's spell it. N. U. T. Nut. O. O is for onion. Let's spell it. O. N. I. O. N. Onion. P. P is for peacock. Let's spell it. P. E. A. C. O. C. K. Peacock. Q. Q is for quail. Let's spell it. Q. U. A. I. L. Quail. R. R is for ring. Let's spell it. R. I. N. G. Ring. S. S is for shoe. Let's spell it. S. H. O. E. Shoe. T. T is for tomato. Let's spell it. T. O. M. A. T. O. Tomato. U. U is for umbrella. Let's spell it. U N B R E L L A umbrella. V is for violin. Let's spell it. V I O L I N.
Humpty Dumpty sat
Violin.
on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's
W
and all the king's men
W is for window.
again.
Let's spell it. W I N D
Humpty
O
Dumpty sat on a wall.
W
Humpty had a great fall.
window.
King's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together.
X X is for xylophone. Let's spell it. X Y L O P H O
Humpty Dumpty sat
N
on a wall. Humpty Dumpty
E
had a great fall. All the king's
xylophone.
all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together.
Y Y is for yak. Let's spell it. Y A K yak. Z Z is for zoo. Let's spell it. Z O O zoo.